Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson here again today working with Windows Server 2008 inside of VMware. Today we're going to be doing Activity 6-8, configuring the domain group policy to enable publishing a printer. Our objective is learn how to enable printer publishing in the domains group policy. The description is publishing a printer for domain-wide access must be enabled in a domains group policy within Active Directory. In this activity, you make the certain that the domains group policy for publishing printers is enabled. So first on, we're going to log on. Looks like I gotta, whoa, log back onto the server here. Alright, now we're going to click Start and click Run. Click Start, click Run. Alright, type MMC. Why did I delete that? I'm typing it back in. MMC in the open box and click OK. Alright, now we got console 1, console root open, the dialog box. We're going to click the File menu and click Add Remove Snap-in. So File and Add Remove Snap-in on the drop-down menu. In the Add or Remove Snap-ins window, we're going to select the Group Policy Management Editor and click Add button. Group Policy Management Editor. What's this right here? We gotta extend this out somehow. Can we? I can't remember which one it was. Okay, so I got confused for a second, but we're back here. We're back. Alright, so we're gonna in the Add or Remove Snap-ins window, we're gonna select the Group Policy Management Editor and click the Add button. So we got it selected. We're gonna click Add. Now it goes over to the selected snap-ins on the right-hand side of the screen. Now we're gonna, after the Group Policy wizard starts, we're gonna click the Browse button. Double-click the default domain policy. Oh, whoops! That is the wrong one. There, Add. Now after this starts, we're going to double click. After the Group Policy wizard starts, we're going to click the Browse button. So click Browse. Double click the default domain policy. Double click default domain policy. And click Finish. Okay. Now we click Finish. We're going to click OK. Alright. Expand the console windows if necessary, which you don't have to, it's already expanded. In the tree, we're going to click Default Domain Policy. Alright. Computer name.domain name policy. Default domain policy. Let's big size it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There. Alright. In the tree, double click the following if necessary to open these folders: Computer, Configuration, Policies, Initiative Templates, and Printers. Okay. Standard view. Alright. Policies. You may or may not see the you might or might not see the policies folder depending on your version of Windows Server 2008. We're going to click Standard at the bottom of the middle pane for better viewing of the settings that can be configured. So down here you have Extended and then Standard. So we click Standard View, but it's easier to work with. Notice the policies that can be configured. Double click Allow Printers to be published. Am I? Am I on the wrong thing? Computer configuration, policies, administrative templates. No, there we are. Printers. There, I was in some weird no man's land for a second. Sorry about that, guys. Got lost. Happens once in a while. All right, we're gonna double click allow printers to be published. How is this policy currently configured? So allow printers to be published. Right here. Double click that. Right now it is not configured at all. It's not enabled or disabled either. It's just not configured, so it's doing nothing but sitting. There's no comments, explanation, and determines whether computer shared printers can be published. Make sure the option button for enabled is selected. So we're going to check that and then click OK. Click OK. In addition to enabling printer publishing, you might want to enable the ability for browse master servers to include published printers as users browse for network printers when installing them through the operating system's version of the Add Printer Wizard. To enable printer browsing, double-click Printer Browsing, select Enabled if it is not already selected, and click OK. So we're going to find printer browsing, double-click that, check Enabled, and hit OK. So now we got that enabled too. That way it's easier for them to browse printers if they want to, for installation on printing for their computers. We're going to review the middle pane to ensure that your changes have been made as shown, and then we're going to click Close Console Window. Okay, and that's all I have for you on this video. We want to save. Alright, that's all I have for you on this video on configuring the domain group policy to enable publishing a printer. I hope you learned a little something. Sorry this video is kind of scattered around. I just got lost a few times. That's my bad. It's pretty set forward though. Basically, if you follow my steps and do what I do, you'll be able to configure your domain policy to enable publishing printer. It's still pretty easy, even though I'm scattered. And that's all I have for you in this video. Thank you, and have a nice day. Hope to see you in the next videos. Bye.